Certificate of registration, this is to certify that Samurai chapter is recognized and having satisfied all constitutional requirements and having pledged faithful adherence to the principles of the order. It is hereby officially registered and duly recognized as a legitimate chapter of the Knights of Metro Manila Fraternal Organization. May this chapter stand as a pillar of integrity and brotherhood, protecting the order and serving the community with courage and discipline. Issued this 25th day of April.
Advance na kasi Apo. Oo. Kaya tuloy mo.
2026 at Knights of Metro Manila National Office. So, Chapter Founder, MC, Chapter Founder Ruby Minhao, Chapter CMC, Co-Founder Jean De La Cruz. So, yun, validity April 25, 2026, 2027. Series KMN registration number 0002-2026. Class chapter plain color red, white, black. Address number 490 William Shaw Street, Barangay 94, Caloocan.
Tama ba? Tama address? Tama. Okay. Para pa natin.